This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by positioning the Dreo heater where it can breathe and stay stable. Clearance matters for safe airflow. Once placed, plug it directly into a grounded 120V outlet and make sure the cord is not pinched. Turn the main power on and observe the display. This initial boot checks internal sensors. You want a steady, ready indicator before changing modes, because doing so ensures the thermostat and safety cutoffs initialize correctly, and you avoid false error states. Now set the temperature and mode so the heater matches your comfort goals. Choose Eco to conserve energy or Boost for quick warmth. The unit modulates output to maintain the target temperature, which reduces cycles and noise. Use the thermostat buttons for precise half-degree changes and enable oscillation for wider coverage. If you want automatic shutoff, set the timer. This helps avoid unnecessary runtime. Make sure to let the heater run a few minutes so the fan and ceramic elements stabilize. You should monitor the heater for the first 15 minutes to confirm even airflow and stable temperature. Small adjustments are normal. Keep vents clear and vacuum dust from grills monthly, because buildup reduces efficiency and can trigger overheat protection. Engage the child lock when necessary and never leave the unit unattended for long periods. If an error appears, power cycle the heater and inspect the cord and plug. If the fault persists, stop use and contact support. This single troubleshooting step resolves most transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.